Welcome to Reviewsinside, where we take a deep dive into some of the most talked about products out there. Today, we're looking at a kitchen powerhouse that promises to be the answer to all your cooking needs: the Acekool Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. It's a 10-in-1 unit designed to simplify your cooking while bringing that crispy golden texture we all love. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This Acekool air fryer is more than just an air fryer. It's a multifunctional kitchen tool that combines a toaster, convection oven, dehydrator, microwave, and more, all in one sleek countertop unit. The 20 QT capacity is one of its standout features, making it perfect for larger meals or family-sized cooking. Whether you're looking to bake, broil, roast, air fry, or even dehydrate fruit, this unit promises to do it all. But it's not just about the versatility. This appliance is equipped with a powerful 1800 watts motor and 360 degrees hot air circulation technology, designed to cook food faster and with less oil. It includes a variety of accessories too, from a rotating basket for rotisserie chicken to mesh baskets for dehydrating your favorite snacks. When it comes to real-world use, setting up this Acekool air fryer is a breeze. The large LED display is intuitive, and adjusting the temperature and timer is simple. The 180-400 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range gives you plenty of flexibility, whether you're crisping up fries or roasting a whole chicken. I put it to the test by cooking a full rotisserie chicken, and the results were impressive. The exterior was perfectly crispy, while the inside stayed moist and tender, just what you want from a rotisserie. For another test, I tried dehydrating some apples, and the result was equally satisfying. The temperature control helped me get the right crispiness without overcooking. But it's not all perfect. While the 20 QT size is great for larger meals, it does take up a fair bit of counter space. If you're tight on space, this might be a concern. Another thing to note is that while the one-touch presets are convenient, they don't always offer the level of customization some users might want. But this is a small issue considering the appliance's overall flexibility. Speaking of flexibility, the Acekool air fryer comes with a bunch of accessories: chicken forks, a rotisserie basket, mesh baskets, and more. These all help you get the most out of the unit, whether you're air frying, roasting, or dehydrating. However, while the accessories are dishwasher safe, they can be a bit bulky, and storing them can become a challenge in smaller kitchens. Let's talk about the value for money. At first glance, the price might seem a bit high, but considering its versatility and the number of features packed into one appliance, it's reasonable. The ability to replace several kitchen gadgets with one unit is a major plus. Plus, the 10-in-1 functionality is ideal for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen. When compared to similar models, like the Ninja Foodi or the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven, the Acekool offers a comparable or even slightly better range of features palette, making it a strong contender in this category. In terms of build quality, the Acekool feels solid. It's not overly heavy, but still gives off a sturdy, durable impression. The materials used are high quality enough to handle daily use without showing signs of wear too quickly. However, the appliance is on the larger side, so if you're looking for something compact, this might not be the best option. Customer support-wise, I didn't have to reach out during testing, but Acekool's reputation for customer service is generally good. The brand has been known to be responsive with inquiries, so if you do run into any issues, help is likely just a call or email away. Now, let's address how it compares to other popular air fryer toaster ovens. The Acekool stands out with its 10-in-1 functionality, offering a wider variety of presets than some of its competitors. For instance, the Ninja Foodi comes with fewer presets, and while it does a good job, it's not as versatile in terms of cooking styles. The Cuisinart model offers similar features, but doesn't quite match the Acekool in terms of power or ease of use. For the price, this unit holds its ground well. When it comes to the longevity of the Acekool air fryer, it's too soon to speak to its long-term durability. However, based on the build quality and the brand's reputation, I'm confident it'll hold up over time, especially if it's properly maintained. As with any appliance, regular cleaning and care will help extend its lifespan. To wrap things up, the Acekool Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is an incredibly versatile appliance that can easily replace several kitchen gadgets. It excels in both performance and flexibility, delivering on its promises to cook food faster and healthier. While it's not the most compact option out there, it makes up for that with its impressive cooking capabilities. If you're in the market for an all-in-one kitchen appliance, this is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in the Acekool Air Fryer, you can find more details in the comments box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our future reviews. And if you've already tried this product, leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Goodbye till next time. Keep those fries crispy.